just showing you in here. This is a new wren's nest. It took me a little while to find the entrance on this. It's pointing to the ground. I had to circle around a few times to see that, but lovely little domed nest there. It has got eggs. Nice one. There it is, just nestled in there. I'll get a better look at it. There it is. Ah, it's a cracking, what a little beauty it is. All the moss on the top. Nice one. Nestled in there. Beauty. Chip Chap brought me into this region. Actually, it's going absolutely mental. But yeah, that's the wren. There you go. It's a date. Here it is. Saturday, July the 16th. Camilla on the front, it's on the back. Oh, it's Tiger. There you are. Nice one. And that's a lovely little lesser whitethroat nest in this like shrub-like tree, bamboo. It's about 3 foot off the ground. Look at that little beauty. That is definitely a lesser whitethroat nest. Looks very active actually. It's pretty new that. That could well be building, I hope so. It's delicately balanced on that little branch. Look at that. What a little beauty that is. What a little beauty that is. Let's see it. Let's quickly date it. There it is. Saturday, July the 16th. Delicately balanced. Lesser whitethroat. And that.